Welcome to Shalom Wellness. I invite you to relax into a comfortable supine position and in a space that is free of all distractions. Avoid listening to this recording while driving or working on machinery that needs your full attention. I also encourage you to use headphones for the best experience. Relax and enjoy. Deep rest is important for your body. Your body enjoys these moments when you create time to rest deliberately. You are lying on your back in Shavasana, corpse pose, with your body stretched out, the head in line with the body, your feet are apart, arms beside the body, and palms are facing up. Gently soften your eyes and all the muscles around your eyes. Remember to remain awake all through the practice. If you do happen to doze off for some time, it's all right. When you wake up, continue with the practice. If your mind wanders during the practice, it's totally fine. It's normal for the mind to wander, but with consistent practice, you will train your mind to focus and be more in the present. Take a deep breath in and feel the calmness spreading throughout the body. As you breathe out, feel the physical stress flowing out of you. Again, inhale deeply, allowing a restful feeling in the body. And as you exhale, feel the mental stress flowing out of you. Become aware of the body and your intention to experience deep rest during this time. This is the time to make your sankalpa, your resolve. Say it in first person and in present tense. For example, I am good, unique, and special. I enjoy this special me time. Come up with your own affirmation that resonates with you. State it mentally 3 times with feeling and awareness. Now focus your mind on different parts of your body. As you relax a specific part of your body, imagine that the prana, the life force, is flowing through this part, recharging and revitalizing it. Focus your attention on the right hand. Right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. Palm of the hand, fingertips. Lower right arm, elbow, upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the right collarbone, the right side of the torso, the hip joint, the right upper leg, knee, the lower leg, the ankle joint, the right foot toes, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the tips of the toes. Left hand now, left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, tips of the fingers, lower left arm, elbow, upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the left collarbone, the left side of the torso, the hip joint, the left upper leg, knee, the lower leg, the ankle joint, the left foot toes, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the tips of the toes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is helping you to experience deep rest. Become aware of the back of your body, the back of the right arm, left arm, the back of the right hand, left hand, the right shoulder blade, the left shoulder blade, the space between the shoulder blades, the entire spine, the spinal cord, the whole back, the right buttock, the left buttock, the back of the right leg, the left leg, the right heel, the left heel. Become aware of the front of the body, the top of the head, the forehead, the right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, the right eye, the left eye, the right ear, the left ear, the nose, the lips, the throat, the chest, the rib cage, the sternum at the mid-chest, the navel, the right leg, the left leg, both legs together, the right foot, the left foot. Your body is truly enjoying this deep rest. Now awaken the feeling of lightness, as if the body is made of cotton. Light, very light, super light. Your body seems to be floating in the air like a feather. You feel free and expansive. Enjoy this feeling. Next, feel your body getting heavy. It is so heavy that it is sinking into the floor. Feel the head heavy. Feel the arms and hands heavy. Feel the legs and the feet heavy. The whole body is heavy. The whole body is heavy. Now use your imagination to develop images in your mind. A big mountain, children playing in the park, peaceful ocean waves, a delicious dinner with friends, a beautiful garden with flowering trees, a funny movie, your favorite color, a dazzling sunset, a dazzling sunset. Feel how relaxed you are right now. Let the music help you to experience deeper rest. Relax and enjoy. Repeat your sankalpa affirmation mentally 3 times with feeling and faith. Be aware of your normal breath. Stretching your arms, hands, legs and feet. Come up to a seated posture. Rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Gently open your eyes to focus your attention on the floor. Thank you for joining me. I wish you more peace and wellness in life. Do share your experience of this practice in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button too. Shalom.